Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, another Saturday, another shave, and as you watch this, I will probably be hurtling down the motorway towards my holiday destination. For all those of you watching in other countries, going to a place called Torquay, which is in Devon, Cornwall, way down the south coast to the tune of about 280 miles or something like that. Yeah, so anyway, that's that. I'm recording this Friday night, so let's have a look at the stuff. It's not the shave I had planned. We'll have a chat and I'll tell you some stuff, but there you go. Mosey sent me a lot of samples, really good samples. I've got to get around to using them. Christopher Thompson sent me some samples. Craig Will sent me some samples. Oh man, I've got so many samples to get. Oh, Daz sent me some. Daz McGinney sent me some samples. I'll get through them all when I get back off holiday. You would not believe the amount of stuff that needs doing. Little things that you don't think about when you're going away for a week. So I'm filming this late. It's still light, but it's been a late one. Anyway, there it is. Not the thumbnail, you see, because I superimposed it. It came in a little plastic thing. It's Matter de Candre Agrumes now. This, guys, I get grapefruit and lime. I believe there's bergamot in there as well. I'm not picking it up, but there, he sent me a sample and I pushed it into that little pot that Christopher Thompson gave me. Oh, thank you. Right, what I'll do, then I put a little, it's very hard, so I just put a little bit of water. You see that little bit of water in there, just maybe soften it up. So that's the soap, and I'm using, here we go, the Rex Envoy. There you go. It's not the Ambassador, this is the Envoy. The Ambassador is adjustable, the Envoy isn't. This equates to about 3 to 3.5 on the Ambassador. We'll do all 3 passes and pickups with that. Nice safe shave. This was gifted to me by Scouse Ian. Thank you, Ian, if you're watching. Ian gifted that to me, so looking forward to using that. Look at this, guys. There it is, serial number, made in the USA. Absolutely wonderful. The blades I'll be using, gifted to me by Christopher. Just call this a gifts of friendship shaving, shouldn't we? Oh, wrong channel. There you go. Gillette 7 o'clocks. There you go. These are good blades, guys. I'd already used these and Christopher sent me some. Thank you, Christopher. There you go. Although his inner wrappings were different to mine. How strange these look like. Good blades, look at it. See, every time the razor blades are all going to be sharp, but you know, some of them, when you take them out of the wrapping, you just think, wow, that looks a sharp blade. And there, that is in there. Got to stop. I normally have a little towel on top of there to stop everything slipping and sliding, and I haven't today. So let's get that in there. That looks okay, you know, doesn't it? I love this, and I love the Ambassador, mate. I love the feel. I love the weight of it. I love the grippiness of it. Love everything about it. Put that in there in some warm water in the John Shaves Super Soaker. Although, look, I'm springing a leak before I even start. Honestly, guys, I haven't stopped running around like a headless chicken. The brush, because it went with the green and the lime scent. There you go, Francois Bossé. There you go, got that. Beautiful, beautiful brush, one of my favourites. We'll stick that in there, get some water in that knot. Check this out, guys. Martin de Candre, Eau de Cologne, Limette, full unused bottle, gifted to me by Scouse Ian again. Oh man, Ian, your generosity is astounding, my friend. Thank you and thank you. I say it all the time, but I'm still blown away when I go to get stuff and the stuff that he gave me is in there. Let's have a... Oh, it's... Oh man. We get candies, sweets we call them, sweets over in other parts of it call them candies, toffees, whatever. Little hard yellow boiled sweets shaped like lemons, and in the middle there's sherbet, and they're called sherbet lemons, ironically enough. And that smells. How sophisticated am I? That smells like sherbet lemons. And look, Scouslian sent me this as well. Oh my word. Bergamot and spicy amber. That's got bergamot. That's very nice scented stuff. We're going to use that to balm up. Enough. Put that up. There'll be people out there saying, I use a pre-shave. Yeah, I do. It's called soap. Thank you, Moses. Oh man, you can smell this soap. I'll put it at about 4. But like so many lightly scented soaps, it's really a fragrant 4. It just smells really nice. It really does. So there you go. Oh, wet the face. Oh guys, we've all been using the bathroom. We've all been having showers. We've all been running around packing cases and carrying cases upstairs and downstairs. Look at this, guys. Absolutely wonderful. It's a very, you can feel a rich, thick, creamy lather. Absolutely wonderful. I think the only thing I bought in today's shave was the brush. All thanks to you guys out there, part of the wet shaving community. And if anyone struggles with that, like, oh, community, what do you mean community? Community, just one of the dictionary definitions that I saw for community recently was a group united by a common interest. So I just thought, you know, if anyone struggling with what it means to be a part of a community. Well, there you go, that's it. So, absolutely wonderful. The scent strength, I'll put it at 4, and it stays at 4 when it's lathered. But like I said, it's very nice. This Envoy is excellent, guys. It absolutely love. It reminds me of the Rex. Well, go figure. Very smooth. Look at it. Very smooth. Very well made. Also, don't forget, I've got a giveaway on the go. Go and check that out. All you gotta do, be a subscriber, type Frank, and you'll be in. I'll be doing it when I get back off holiday. I'm pre-recording it. I'll be honest with you guys, I pre-record nearly all my videos now because now things have opened up. Life is just so busy. I like uploading, I like my videos going up on a Wednesday and a Saturday. That's since the day I started the channel. I've done them on those days. I'm a creature of habit, I like that. I don't want to change the days that my videos go up. So, I mean, it was great through COVID, but now work's opened up and private life has opened up. And the stuff I do outside my private life has all opened up. What it means is, not every week, but most weeks, if I want my videos to go up on a Wednesday and a Saturday, I have to pre-record. I do. And I'm labouring the point because someone did actually say in the comments a few months ago, another Saturday shave on a Friday. was never the Saturday shave because that's the day I shaved. It was a Saturday shave because that's the day I put the video up. So no, there you go. Oh, that's it. Yeah, I'm still sticking to my plans, guys. I'm not taking anything away with me. Shave-wise, nothing. I'm just going to see, I'm going to search antique shops, thrift stores, charity shops, low budget shops, and I will buy whatever I can find and see. I'm going to see if I can buy a brush. In an ideal world, it will be a brush, a DE razor, some blades, soap, aftershave and bar. Right? But we'll see what happens. That's my challenge. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. That's my challenge to myself. You know, if I get to Wednesday or Thursday, I'll have to have a shave. I'll have to have a shave. I really do. Cannot stand growth on. Oh, I can't. But get to the, and I have to shave, guys. You may just be tuning into Candre and a cartridge razor, but hey, I'll put some scenery on it, and I'll try and do my best to make it entertaining for you guys. Oh. So let me know what your shaves of the day are, and let me know what your slurp of the day is. I am such a creature of habit. I'm taking a bottle of wine for when we get down there. Oh my word. Yeah, so what we're planning on doing, I mean, you'll probably be over there in the States, some of you, or Australia. And we'll be going 6 flaming hours to 6 flaming hours to drive 266 miles. I can do that now. That's the worst American accent. No, but UK roads, guys, are extremely busy and extremely complicated. Actually, one of the motorway systems we're going to be driving through is called Spaghetti Junction, and it's called that because it actually resembles a pile of spaghetti with all the link roads, and it's been the undoing of many a poor soul. That's a line from a song, isn't it? And I can't. That's going to annoy me all night now. It's been the ruin of many a poor soul. And God, I know I'm what? House of the Rising Sun by the Endless. There you go. Sorry guys, I'm in holiday mode. We've got leather mittens on the go. Yes, so let me know what your shave of the day is. Let me know what your slurp of the day is. Please click like and subscribe, and then go and join that giveaway. The more the merrier. We're all one big happy family in the wet shaving community. Although, let's be honest, some of us are happier than others. And that is our shave, guys. Check this out. Those blades. Oh, those blades are excellent. Oh, somebody also asked me, John, where'd you get the towel from? This, from an automotive stores. What they call over here, Halfords. You got, it sells car parts and windscreen wipers and washers and oils and blades and bearings and car jacks and all that, anything to do with automotive vehicles. Cars, basically. And that's a car drying towel. And it was about £5, and when the world was going bonkers because they couldn't get a Lancaster towel, I bought that for £5. There you go. That's all. I've got to open this window. It's like a sauna in here, guys. There you go. We did okay, didn't we? So please let me know. Here we go. Let me know what your shave of the day is. Oh my word. Oh, that is just sherbet lemons, guys. That is just sherbet lemons. I should have got some. Right, when I'm down there in Torquay, if I see any sherbet lemons, I'll get them. I'll get them and I'll show you them in the next shave. There you go. Oh, so thank you to everyone for watching. Thank you to Scouseian. Thank you to Mo. Thank you to Christopher Thompson. Thanks to everybody, all your comments, your likes, all your support. See, every shave, you guys are great. You really are. Mark Zaredi keeps saying, you know, I've got the best viewers. I've got the best subscribers. You know, if that carries on that, I'm going to fly over there. I'm only joking, I love Mark Zaredi. But he hasn't got the best subscribers. I have. Look after yourself, guys. And remember, return evil for evil to no one. Look after yourselves, have a great week, and I will see you on Wednesday. Hopefully, not for a cartridge shave. Bye.